What a bullshit day. Like, I think I'm jinxed.
From Worker to Trader, day number 27, and trading with MambaFX in his Discord channel, private Discord channel, not again. Day number 5.
I just wanted to record this part of video before you will watch whole the video because I feel really bad right now. I'm not trying to cry or something, and I'm sorry that you should watch this part of video before the whole video because it will be really sad part. I'm really depressed right now, and it's not necessary to write me a support comments, but I just want to ask you guys to not write me a comments like, oh, you're stupid or something. After this one trade, I lost everything. And it's not even negative trade. It wasn't the lose. Which is really crazy, right? It's a little bit awkward actually. Like I said before, I'm really emotional trader, and you know that. And every lose for me, it's very important. It's very hurts for me. Sometimes I can't even stop. And it is what it is. Like, it's my journey. I can't hide this. Like, what I need to do, just upload the next video where everything is fine? No, I'm not fine right now. I'm not fine. And if somebody of you thinking like, oh, trading is really easy, fuck you, bitch. Specifically if you are the same type of person like I am, that will be just crazy. Trading could destroy your life if you are the same person like I am. Yeah, but damn, bro. I can't even say anything. I'm just have a goosebumps when I remember all these trades. It's just insane. So I have really trauma about this. Like, wow, it's so hard to trade in the funded account. I thought when I will pass my evaluation account, I will be like completely different person, but reality is I'm even worse. I mean, for me, every trade in the goddamn funded account, even trade for $200, it's really painful, dude. Like, wow. I don't want to feel like this, but I can't. I should move forward. I should not hide anything. So please don't write me bad comments, specifically for today. Usually everything's fine, but today, not fine. I'm not good. Sorry for that part of video, guys. Enjoy.
Let's see how it goes.
Another 3 minutes before we start, but let's get it. We have 2 more minutes.
We're doing good so far, like every day it's winning day, and I'm really afraid of this day because it's very logic, right? If you always right, your day when you will
Price
be not
or markets seem to be a little
when you will be not
sluggish. Nothing too crazy though.
the day when you will be not right is coming, right? And today I am in the funded
Just seem
account.
to be a little. It's early, so when I look at the markets, I gotta look at them from 2 different perspectives, right? So pre-market, how it's moving, and then obviously once the market opens. Sometimes they go hand in hand. Sometimes it can be super duper slow, and then out of nowhere, take off. And vice versa, it could be fast before session starts, and then session starts, and it's slow. So it's not always, it doesn't always add up with each other. So I try to just keep an open mind for both markets. And then obviously once it opens, that's the main market we're looking at is the one we're about to trade anyways. So yep.
Let's go.
All right, it's 6:30. Let's get it. See what we can do.
It's 8:30.
Keep an eye on both.
Just kidding.
If we break above, obviously I'm gonna go long.
But I'm like, obviously.
I don't feel that great about it. Going long, I think it's gonna push down. It's me personally. Just wait. Let's just wait. We would go short right around there.
So right now.
Order filled.
All right. We're going sells. Pray that we don't get faked out early on. Do not risk a lot. I'm going to say it again.
It will
Do
be fake
not
out,
risk a lot.
in
A
my
lot of you guys
opinion.
trying to get funded. A lot of you guys are funded. Don't risk a lot, please. Just risk a normal amount. Be normal.
It looks
Okay,
like
it's the
fake
first
out.
trade. You know the first trade, the highest chance of being faked out. And as
Yes.
time goes on, your chances of being faked out goes down more and more. I'm looking at NASDAQ as well. See that little candle we just got? A little wick? That's not good for us. Actually, I close this trade right here.
Order
Close
filled.
this trade right here. It's closed.
That's okay.
We're gonna get ready to re-enter if it pushes down, but we're out of that trade. Just so you guys can see what it looked like there. We're out. We're taking a mini fucking tiny loss first. We're gonna wait for a repositioning.
That was
I'm
obviously,
so glad we got out
actually.
of that fucking trade.
But that's alright.
Okay.
Shit happens.
Now relax. Let's look for a proper setup. I'm not against re-entering down for a sell, but let's wait. Okay. Sometimes we gotta get out early. Look at that shit. That shit ended up. Oh, that shit ended
I
up
would like to open long position in the Nasdaq.
completely digesting itself. Oof. US 30. I mean NASDAQ. NASDAQ/NQ. We're pushing down to our support. It's testing the support good right here. I want to see if it, because if this can break this support, it should be a pretty good push to the downside. Support of this magnitude for sure. There you
Could
go.
be
That's
fake
why we
out.
get out. I'm so glad we got out of that trade. Oh my gosh. I did not like that. I knew that shit was going to fake out the way it rejected there. Okay. Sometimes it's a win if you just save yourself. Now is it going to fake to the upside? Oof. Don't do it. Don't you fucking do it. US 30. US 30 is playing a little bit too many games right now, though. All right, I'm buying US 30.
Order
Now, if this
filled.
thing double fakes, that'll be a load of bullshit, I'll tell you what. I'm buying US 30. My stop is really fucking tight, though. We need to increase that down to that support level. Do we want any chance? No way we double fake, though. If this double fakes, next candle is going to be good. Don't risk a lot. Come on, man. We were just winning 2 times a day. Doing too fucking much now. We have 4 wins this week and 1 micro loss. I want you guys to keep that in mind. 4 wins and 1, not even a full loss, of 1/4 of a loss. That's what we're at for the week. This thing should be able to push though past.
Check Nasdaq.
We already got the fake out to the downside. We can see sellers got destroyed. Come on now. I'm still looking at NASDAQ. I'm still interested in it, but NASDAQ, NQ. Probably go short right around here. Things playing games. I would go short on NASDAQ if we can push past this trend. You see it's respecting this trend and it's respecting the support right now. So until price decides it's ready to break through that, then we're going to have to just wait. But I'm very interested in it. I'd like to see this price action and see what's going on. Now, we can go back to US 30 on the 5. Okay, candle closure. We're still respecting this trend line though. This trend line needs to be disrespected for this to work out. As you can see, the respect it's there. Okay, it's there. So you look at this 1 minute time frame. We're here at this little mini resistance here now that we've created, of course, on the 1. So again, we need this next couple candles to close above this if we want any chance of going to the upside. Markets are a little iffy right now. I'm not gonna lie, they're not the prettiest, but we're trying to make with what we can. We're, like I said, we have 4 wins in a row. Just this week, we're at 4 wins and whatever you want to call that last little loss we just took today. We'll be okay. Markets are doing what they do. They're varying. They're adjusting. They're keeping us, keeping us having to watch.
What about Nasdaq?
I like the way this one candle's going, but it's
Nasdaq.
respecting trend line still. I'm sure the 5 still is as well. We got 2.5 minutes on the 5, and then we have 20
It's London.
seconds on the 1. But it's respecting this trend line a little bit too much for me. That's the only thing I don't like right now. We should not be respecting this much. NASDAQ's pushing down to my sell position here. Entry point is 22836.
2-2.
NASDAQ slash NQ.
8.
5 minute, 1 minute. That's not going to be a good candle closure for us. We need a little more bullish than that.
It's the London session low.
We're still in that
We
little bit
probably
of
wants to go there.
resistance slash, obviously, respecting this trend line. I don't like that, man. Come on. What did I just do, man? Hit the fucking desk and the whole screen turns off. NASDAQ and US 30 are doing the opposite, which is always just so fucking weird. NASDAQ's going up, US 30 is going down. We gotta, this is, I don't know why we're respecting this trend line so damn much. The market's bullish. It wants to fucking be respectful out here. We're showing respect now. Well, now when have the markets ever respected something? Come on, let's break past this little zone right here. That's a great candle closure on the 1. That one just closed very nicely for us. If we can get the 5 minute time frame to close above this channel, we are going to be good. Come on, fuck, man. Sorry guys, I'm getting frustrated here. The week's been too good. Now I'm fucking getting all greedy and shit, getting all what's the word? Spoiled. I feel spoiled with how good the markets have been to us. The day I up my risk. Why? Why did you up your risk? That's stupid. That is so stupid. There's never a point in life where you up your fucking risk. Ever. You never just one day, I'm gonna up it. You don't know the markets are gonna, this position never really made itself. I guess I'll leave it just in case it breaks down our entry zone. I don't know. Fucking 1 minute, bro. What a stupid fucking setup. Bullshit, bro. Look at this 1 minute fucking candle. We're gonna break above just to come right back in. And then we get this stupid fucking long candle. What a shit show these fucking markets are today. Jeez. We're not going 4 wins in a row for this to happen. This candle's got to be a complete fake out, or this trade's done. This is too bearish at this point. I'm sure the 15 and 5 look the same. Double fake out, man. We got 10 seconds for this candle to fucking fly back up here. This trade is done. I guarantee this trade will be done if it closes like this. There it is.
Order filled.
And we're out. Got spoiled with these markets, man. Really did. Oh, NASDAQ decided to come back down to fucking Earth. All right. Let's just breathe for a second. Let's just breathe. All right. It's exactly, it's micro. It's 4 wins, 1.5 losses. We're at the risk reward that we trade at. There's nothing here. There's nothing here to worry about. We're up big, but I just want to, try to maximize each day whenever we can. I just feel like there's gonna be something here. My max is always 3 trades.
Order
NASDAQ's
filled.
kind of the only thing. I'm selling that. Oh shit. Moved everything. I'm selling NASDAQ at this entry point. If it pushes one more time, that'll be my final trade of the day. It's at your own risk if you guys want to take a third trade. I'll let you guys know if I get in on this push. It's kind of just fucking around right here. US 30, probably going to avoid for now just because these can't. Look at this wick. This is the shit right here. Look at that. Massive wick to the downside, massive wick to the upside. Doesn't know what it wants to do, so that's not a trade that we're gonna really be interested in right now. I'm more interested in NASDAQ. Just needed to push below. US 30.
It's my trade.
Not
It's
the
not
best movements
MambaFX
today,
trade.
but
I mean,
whatever. Like I've been saying, we're so up for the week.
he didn't in this trade, so he did not
Normal
open
day
this
of
trade.
trading.
But I am open this trade
Markets
because
just aren't
I want
giving us what we
to
need
take
right
London
this
Session
second.
lows. If he will be in this trade, I will count this trade too. But right now, I'm
30
alone.
is just stagnant. Wow, NASDAQ is respecting the shit out of this trend line.
My stop loss should be right there.
Come on, NASDAQ, you gotta be kidding me.
It's very similar setup like yesterday with this trap for buyers candle, and we tried to push to the upper side, but we couldn't. And the another confirmation, it's over here, London Session lows. We probably want to grab them.
How much are you up for the week? Fucking massively. On Monday, we took a US 30 and a NASDAQ win. I think they both ended up going 1 to 5. And then yesterday, we took 2 wins on US 30 and NASDAQ as well. Literally 2 and 2. Today, we just lost 1 trade. Oh, that's a good candle closure here on the sell. I'm going to sell NASDAQ right here for the last and final trade. This one's completely optional if you guys want to take it. Third trade's a lot. For me, it's a lot of risk to take 3 trades, but I'm willing to do it because I'm willing to lose more money. If you're not willing to lose money, don't take the trade. If you're gonna, if it's gonna affect you in your life day to day, do not take a third trade. It really
That's a
is
good
as simple
advice.
as that. For me, I always take a third trade because again, I can afford to lose it. We just took 4 wins in a row, and yeah, I'm okay regardless. But markets are not very good right now, so it's more of one of them little gambly, risky trades, especially with the markets moving the way they're moving. It's definitely risky, but you never know. This one pisses me off the most right here. Although I do feel like if it does push down, it's going to be a good selling opportunity. I can't get behind 4 trades.
He wants to push to the London session
Let me
lows.
see,
Let's
what
go.
type of news did we have today? It's been so slow. We had news early in the morning. So most likely what it is, just we had a lot of news today, as you guys can see. Core PPI, capacity utilization rate, numbers was speaking, industrial production. We had a lot of news today, so that's not very beneficial for us, especially when it's early on, because what happens is news comes in, boom, we have movements like this, good movements, and then boom. Once market opens, we already had the movement, so now price is just going to move slow. So it's something that we see a lot when news comes in, so not surprised with that. Not surprised with that at all. It's actually pretty normal. Oh my God, now US 30 wants to push. See, my problem is I really like US 30 for sell. If it pushes below. I don't want to call out I don't want to call out a 4th trade like that, but to me US 30 sell looks better. I might actually close NASDAQ and take US 30. Is that gay? I might actually close NASDAQ and take a US 30 sell. I don't know. Sometimes I'm just overly biased and just love US 30 for no reason. I honestly feel like I'm overtrading a little bit too today. We got news when? We got news in fucking another 10 minutes? I mean, I feel like the markets have been good this week. I'll show you guys what we did. Yesterday we hit a 1-to-1, and then it ended up going. We could have literally just let those runners go for a 1-to-5. But yesterday we hit a 1-to-1, and this is the day before. This is yesterday, or Monday's trade. I think we did pretty good. I feel pretty good about that. And then go to NASDAQ yesterday, a 1-to-1. And then the day before, almost a 1-to-2. Before that, 1-to-3. We're doing pretty good. I think the markets have been doing us pretty nicely. I mean, look at this. You want to see last week's results? So we had this on Monday. We're talking right here. Boom, 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 boom. I mean, this is what it's been like for us. There's a loss right there out of all those trades. Boom, boom, boom. All 1-to-3s or 1-to-5s. Boom, boom. We've been the last month has been insanely good. Yes, the MambaFX Co. website, whatever that is, it's not me. Nice retracement, nice touch up here, and nice push to the downside on the 15. 5 looks clean. 1 minute looks very clean. 5 looks the best. US 30, it looks good. I can't get behind 2 trades at once like that, but I liked US 30 a lot. Sorry, US 30, but I gotta stick with NASDAQ for today. Well, yeah, 2024 I will say was insane, for sure. That is true. Yeah, that is true. 2024 was good. So I guess at that rate, it hasn't been as insane, but we've been killing it, bro. We've been having fucking insane days every day. I mean, shit, we're 4-1, really, this week. If we're being real, we're 4-1.
Let's go to the
We just hit
London
a target
session
one right
lows.
there, so now we're 5-1. 5-1. I'll say it again. We're 5-1. Come on now.
I will not go to break even. I will not go everywhere. I just know that we want to take London
Come
session
on now.
lows. Let's go. Let's
That's what I'm
push.
talking about.
Let's push a little bit. I opened this trade before MambaFX, but it's still trading with MambaFX. It's still his trade too, so I will count this too. But it's 1-to-1. He already took 1-to-1. But I'm sure in this trade in 100 million
Patience is key
percent.
every time.
So yeah, a little bit more like here. Let's go, bitch. Let's go. Let's push, 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 push it. Let's go. Let's go. How I can boom, boom.
And we're still pushing. Oh yeah, Peach. Oh yeah, Peach. Oh yeah. Let's make some fucking money all year. That's the whole purpose of life. Just kidding, it's not. But making money makes your life a whole lot better. I'll tell you what. You got that freedom. That's what we're here for. Freedom. I'll tell you what.
Come on, babe. I write that he take the risk 1,
So
but
here
I
we
will
go.
be
We let the
in this trade.
the rest run like we do every single day. Depending how these runners can go, this could be a big day. Still, even then, up 2K, $4,000 profit. Let's go. $741 profit. Nice, guys. That's what I like to see. That is what I like to see. For me, it'd be about break even, but if we can get these runners to go all the way, that's big. That will be big.
What? You pop it out the leader to another window. What? Oh. Come on, bro. Don't reject, please. Let's go. Keep on pushing. Keep on pushing. London session lows. The only one reason why I didn't close even a half of position. The only one reason, because I really know that we want to go down and take at least London session lows. At least London session lows. Let's go. Let's keep on pushing, guys. Let's keep on pushing. Let's keep on pushing. Let's keep on pushing. Let's go. Let's go. Yesterday, you say tomorrow. Stop giving up. Just do it. Make your dreams come true. Do it. Don't let your dreams be
pushing.
dreams.
Might as well keep pushing.
Let's go. Let's go.
Look at all these profits in the room. You guys are insane.
Let's go. Let's keep on pushing. Mwah, 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 mwah. Keep on pushing. Let's go. It's rally. Pew, 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 pew. Somebody's crazy, dude. Let's go. London session lows. Let's go. London session lows. Don't do it to me. Don't do higher highs over here. We are not trying to do this. We're trying to break this level of support. Trying to break the London session lows. A little bit nervous, because in the Nasdaq, the same amount of contracts, it's a little bit risky.
We're moving, man. Just need to keep going. Oh, stop loss number. I think it pops it up right there. 22872. Yeah, that's the number right there. 22872.
Why his profit target right there on the half?
You guys are killing it, bro. Some of you guys are really, really doing well.
I'm open my trade. Oh wait, because my stop loss a little bit.
To see it.
Yeah, because his stop loss is here. Yeah, in that case, sure. My stop loss is a little bit higher. I will move my stop loss at least here. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Let's go, let's go. I know that you wants to push down. That's the whole point of this trade. I'm pretty sure in 100% on this trade. This is A plus setup trade. This is A plus setup. So I will wait with all my money. I mean, with the 2 contracts, with 4 contracts, 4 micro contracts, without any closure at 50%, because it's A plus setup. Like London session lows, we're already very
Any
near from
questions
them.
you guys have, man? Go and ask
Just
me
wait.
now. Oh yeah, we're still in US 30. We're letting that thing ride.
What? We're still in the US 30?
Took some profits. Let the rest ride.
Ah!
That's as simple as that. That's how we do it.
Ah!
That's how we do it. Oh shit. Oh, you're yawning like a bitch, man.
Shit, my fucking knees. I had trouble.
So like earlier, I cut my losses early because I knew it was gonna fake out. It was too aggressive. Like, it was moving too aggressively to the downside, but it didn't continue. It pushed back. So when it does that, when you have that, especially early on, right? That's the first key. Is it's early on. It doesn't happen every single day, and it doesn't happen every single trade. But when they do push aggressively to the downside early on, right when the market opens, and then it starts to come back kind of violently, I guess it's like the best way to put it is just aggression. Then, yeah, you know what's about to happen. I've been doing this for a long time, so I've seen these things a million times.
Why the fuck we are stuck over there? Why we stuck here? That's the whole question. Look at here. Oh shit. Remember the trade yesterday? Boom.
You gotta
Boom.
remember too, I've been doing this a very, very long time, so it's like I've seen it all.
We're almost
obviously.
there. We're almost there. Yesterday that worked because
And
we have sweeps.
I'm very familiar with the market.
We have liquidity sweeps to the downside. We literally very
How
close.
they move. Not just the little things too. It's like, is this a fake out? Like the actual really things that a lot of people don't, they don't pay attention to because they've either been doing it for too short of time, for one, or for two, they're just not paying attention to every little detail.
It's 1 hour candle. Wow. It's 1 hour candle. It's really important candle right now. Shish. Shish.
But I'm gonna let the rest of this run. we're gonna get back on tomorrow, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do it all again, just like we always do. It never ends, baby. It never ends. If this hits a break even, close your secondary positions. If not, let it run. If you haven't already closed most of your position, which I know most of you guys have, then yeah, all right. I'll see you guys later, and peace. Get it.
So this is big as fuck red candle. This is big as fuck red candle, and I don't like this at all. We could sweep this liquidity first before we can goes down. It shouldn't be reverse. It shouldn't be reverse because it's London session lows, and before we can goes up, we should take these London session lows, like 100%. Maybe we will sweep this liquidity. Boom. Then we maybe will hit this zone of support and then goes down. Who knows? But in both case scenario, we should go and break this level. Like that's the whole point. That's literally my strategy. It's literally my strategy. Let's be honest, I took the strategy from the TGR because he explained this very well about the liquidity, about sessions, like London session lows. You have London session lows. It's if you go to London session lows, like you're very, very close, like here, right? So if you have some confirmation, like we break this level, perfect. Everything is good. Let me check the 15 minutes time frame. Okay. Pretty nice. 5 minutes time frame. Did we grab the liquidity or no? From the top. I mean, a little bit. A little bit. Not too much. Not too crazy. Why the people wants to buy here is just the stupidest decision that I ever seen. To people buy right there. It's pretty nice. How that calls cluster. It's pretty nice cluster over here. A little bit of volume. A little bit of volume. Okay. Let me check the just Nasdaq. It's the same, but the volume, pretty nice volume. It's another 5 minutes. Wait. Oh. A little bit of volume, a little bit of volume. Okay. Let's go, bro. I think it's still the trap for buyers. Not a lot of people bought here, but if we go in 100, I mean in 1 minute, and it's not reverse setup. It's not reverse setup. Usually reverse looks like not like this. Looks like not like this. Usually reverse looks not like this. I just repeat everything. So we have lows, 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 lows. We have lows, lows, lows. Who will win, guys? Who will win? What do you think? I'm still thinking that it's absolutely okay and we want to go down. And we have this level over here, so it's zone of resistance. That was pretty nice zone of resistance. That was pretty nice zone of interest. We break this zone literally once at London session. Then we goes up and took London session highs. And right now we want to go and took London session lows before we could go up. That's my analysis for today for this trade. Do we want to goes down right here? I have no idea. Maybe. But do we want to goes down and took London session lows? Absolutely yes. Let's see how it goes. If we will have red candle right here, I will move my stop loss to break-even point. Because we just could, you know, sweep liquidity and then goes a little bit, like not a little bit, very fast to the downside. Okay. We try to buy, right? But nobody gives a fuck about buy. We just push into the downside. We just push into the downside. I'm a little bit afraid of my take profit because my take profit is a little bit low than the London session lows. But I guess we want to, you know, grab this liquidity, push a little bit down, took my take profit, and then goes everywhere. Let's see. Let's see. Go, 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 go. Let's go. Let's keep on pushing. Let's keep on pushing. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Let's go. 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 I have my balls. I have my balls in the pocket. I have my balls in the pocket. Just wait, Max. Let's go. Let's keep on pushing. I know that you want this. I know. I know. You already took the liquidity from the buyers. Just breathe a little bit. Just breathe, Max. Just a little bit of breathe. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's push it. Push it. I don't want to close my position in the middle of nowhere. I would like to close my position with the take profit because usually I close my position very early, but today it's pretty nice to top take profit. Let's go. Let's push, push. Ah, fuck. No way. I don't like this week. I don't like this week at all. But in the 1 minute, everything is okay. Everything is fine, Max. Just shut the fuck up and wait. Stop the break even. Wait, there is no way. There is no way, guys. Let's keep on pushing, please. It's so nervous trade. Why we could not just took this take profit and that's it. Come on, bro. What the fuck? What about London session lows, guys? What about London session lows, huh? There is no fucking way. There is no fucking way. Why we have this candle? Why do we fuck? Why the fuck we have this candle? I don't like this picture at all. It looks like liquidity sweep before we can go sub, but damn, we didn't take liquidity from the London session lows. Please, could we go just down like All right, we took liquidity. That's okay. We took all the liquidity before we can go down, right? Am I right? That's okay. Now we took all the liquidity before we can go down. A lot of people, they opened their long position. Boom, we took all the liquidity. Now we can go down. Let's go. There is no way it's reversed. There is no fucking way. Like literally, there is no way. We took the liquidity and now we can go down. Like I told you, that's absolutely the same setup like yesterday because of these candles. But we didn't take the London session lows, which I really prefer. So we took the all liquidity before we can go down. Let's go. That's a good manipulation right there. That's a good manipulation. We took the stop losses from the sellers right here. We took stop losses from the buyers too. We took stop losses, all of them. So right now it will be very nice manipulation to go down and take all the liquidity. It's pretty nice trade. It's pretty nice logic right now. Pretty nice. We already took all the liquidity from the guys. So there is no way we will just reverse before we took the London session loss. There is no fucking way. Or I didn't understand something like or I don't understand something. Like I showed you yesterday, like boom, 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 boom. You can't predict this, right? The same situation was yesterday. You can't predict this. But then one more thing that you can't predict too is like this. That's a very bad closure. I can't fucking I can't even imagine that we just will reverse right there. Like there is no level, there is nothing. We just like what? Like I just wanna see. Like there is no way. Like I told you in 1 hour, right? We had pretty big, pretty big candle to the downside. It's okay to take some liquidity from the buyers, right? It's okay. Like that would be easy trade, very easy trade if after this candle we will have another red candle and we will just took this liquidity. But first in first we should have the trap buyers before we can take this liquidity. But for me, for guy who opened this trade, it's very stressful right now because like I always thinking about maybe I should close like a half of position like MambaFX, whatever. That's a good week. That's a good week right there. What I want to see, my take profit. I'm not going to move my take profit. I'm not going to move my stop loss. I'm not going to do anything. I just should wait. I just should wait. Trading, it's really hard, bro. Like for your mental health, it's really hard. I mean, it's not really hard, but we have like 2 losses, 1 micro loss, and 1 stop loss. So I'm not trying to, cover up this stop loss, but at one point I'm trying to, right? But in this trade, I have idea. I have brilliant idea to take this liquidity. That's all that I need to do. I saw the manipulation. I didn't close my trade. I have balls. I have balls. So right now it's pretty nice situation to take liquidity, guys. Pretty nice situation to take liquidity. Let's go, let's go, let's go. London session lows, London session lows, London session lows. Come on, bro. London session lows. Pretty nice zone. Right there, pretty nice zone. Why the fuck I'm so nervous? Like, it doesn't make sense to nervous like this. Just breathe. This funded account, guys. Like, look how close we are. Look how close we are. Let's go, please. Let's go. Now we have both liquidities. Look here. We have liquidity here. We have liquidity here. So we swipe, liquidity sweep. We sweep liquidity here. Then we sweep liquidity here. Two sweep liquidities, which is crazy. And now we want to switch. We want to sweep this liquidity and this liquidity again. Does it make sense, guys? I think it's like it's just perfect trade. Like literally, it's A plus setup. I'm sure in this trade it's not gamble or something. I'm really sure. I see this manipulation in the market. I see everything. I'm not a brilliant trader. I'm not a professional trader. But in my opinion, in my world, this is A plus setup. This is A plus setup. I'm just trying to took liquidity from the London session. That's it. That's all that I'm trying to do. And now we have like, are you feeling alright, bro? Are you feeling okay? Are you feeling good? What the fuck is this? Are you feeling good, bro? Are you feeling okay? Why? That's just crazy. That's just crazy, dude. And we have fair value gap on 1 minute time frame. Actually, we have two fair value gaps. Like here, fair value gap. I don't like to draw. I don't like to write or draw when you painting something. Fair value gaps in the 1 minute time frame, and we close above this fair value gap. It's very shitty situation, but it's 1 minute time frame. I'm still trying to find some answers. Like, why is such a lot of buyers right there? Actually, I know why. Because we have fair value gap from the London session. Because we have fair value gap from the London session. And we literally bounce from this fair value gap every fucking time. Look how we're pushing. Look how we're pushing. That's just insane. We literally bounce from this fair value gap. The fair value gap is a little bit like here. Stop doing this bullshit to me, bruh. You didn't take the London session lows. Where are you trying to fly? Where are you trying to fly? It's bullshit. Absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. It should be clean trade. It should be really clean trade, just like this. But we just stuck. We just stuck, and it's hard trade. It's really hard trade mentally. Look at these candles. Every fucking candle, it's the green candle. Which means that's a lot of liquidity, and which means we should take this London session loss. Dude, it's just insane. It's not a reverse model, bro. It's not reverse model. You never in the market reverse like this. Like never, bro. Like little bit, like little and never. Just go. I should be in the straight like 2 hours? 2 hours more? Do you want me to be here 2 hours more, or like what's the fucking point of this? Like look at this. So annoying. It's so annoying, dude. We sweep liquidity from the sweep liquidity. Like I have no idea what kind of confirmation do you need more. Like we sweep liquidity from the sweep liquidity, so it's the higher point, it's the highest point. We have zone of liquidity here and zone of liquidity here. And zone of liquidity here and zone of liquidity here. So what the fuck? Like do you really want to reverse? Like do you really want to reverse? Dude, it's just insane. It's just insane, dude. I'm feeling like somebody trying. I think like somebody tried to bullshit me. Like, are you fucking serious right now? We didn't switch the liquidity from the London session lows. We literally never even was at the 50% of the movement from the London session lows. Like we just boom and fly to the moon. And then you reverse right here. It's so frustrating. It's so annoying. I just want to see the 1 minute candle. All right. Now we have more liquidity. Boom, 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 and London session. Boom, 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 and London session. Absolutely the same situation like here. So we have liquidity here, a lot liquidity. Before we can go down, we switch this liquidity, sweep this liquidity. Before we can go up, we need to sweep this liquidity and London session lows. Does it make sense for you guys? For me, it is. But for the market maker, who knows? Come on, a lot of people open their long position. Like literally a lot. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. Now we're speaking. Now we're talking English, beautiful language, huh? Now we're speaking. Beautiful, beautiful closure. Beautiful closure. After this candle, wow. Beautiful closure, guys. Beautiful closure. Still have liquidity. Beautiful closure. Let's go. What? Are you using some? I can't say this in YouTube. Dude, just goes down, please. Just goes down. It's literally crazy. I need to change my clothes real quick before I can go in my job. So many questions. So many questions. So this is reverse. I can't believe, bruh. I just can't believe. Do you really want like what? Like what? Like what? Like After this, wait. After this big as fuck red candle, we have a lot of green candles. It's just so fucking stupid. It's just so frustrating. Like, are you for real right now? I am in shock. That was really a plus setup. Like, I can't even imagine more beautiful trade than this one. I just can't imagine more beautiful trade than this one. Like, I'm in shock, bro. I'm really in shock right now. I can't fucking imagine more beautiful trade than this one. Holy shit. I can't even imagine. It's so frustrating, dude. Like literally zero red candles, like literally zero red candles. I mean, zero red candles. We didn't switch the London session lows. We didn't sweep, I mean, sorry. Like what? Like what? What's the point of this movement? Like I really in shock right now, like literally. I like what? For example, you go in 30 minutes, you see this big as fuck green candle. You go in the 5 minutes and you see all the green candles. Like nobody gives a fuck about liquidity from the downside. I mean, from the London session, why we didn't sweep this liquidity from the London session? Like what? Like what? Yeah, classic. Bounce from my entry. Classic. Yeah. It's one of the most frustrating trades because it's a plus setup. Because I was sure in this trade in 100%. So I had plus $500. Like bullshit, bro. Yesterday was the same situation. We was almost near take profit. Same situation. Almost near take profit. That was level. And I took my liquidity. I mean, I took my money here. And then what's happened? We just break my take profit. I mean, we just hit my take profit. Today I was like, oh, maybe I should wait until my take profit. And what we'll have right now? It's absolutely unfair. It's absolutely bullshit, dude. Mm. It looks like market maker just woke up right now. Like literally he just sit in the office and said like, let's sell this bullshit. And everybody just like, okay, $1 billion, boom. And look at these candles. And it's not even liquidity sweep. I mean, we didn't have liquidity. Dude. And that's it. Now we don't have a billions of dollars. Let's go. This candle she calls a hope. A hope. After so many green candles. But it should be just red candle. It shouldn't be like this. It's bullshit. It should be red candle with a good closure. It should be red candle with a good closure. I mean, should be when I telling you it should be. I mean, it should be for me, for my head to understand that everything is fine. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's sweep all this liquidity, please. Stop buying. Stop buying. Dude, look here. Are you dumb as fuck or something, bruh? And we have zone of support, bruh. Stop. Look at here. It's like. Oh, so fucking stupid, dude. Just insane. And here is the question about trading. Yesterday, I didn't close my trade. That was trade right there. I closed my trade over here. And then we just hit my take profit. I mean, wait, it's not this trade. It was probably something around. Damn, you can watch the video yesterday. So I didn't take the take profit. I take 50% of the movement. So that was 1-to-1 risk to reward. And I was like, damn, if I will just, didn't touch my take profit, everything will be fine, blah, 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 blah. Today, I had plus $500, which is 1-to-3 risk to reward, and I didn't take my take profit. And what's the point? Like, I didn't take my take profit, and now who knows what will happen in the fucking market. I'm frustrating right now. It feels bad because like I am literally like maybe 30 minutes in this trade. It's not too much, like 30 minutes, but for the mental health, it's absolutely bullshit. Like I feel not good, absolutely, because I couldn't imagine that we reverse right there. Like it's so stupid. Like, bruh. So each candle it's 15 minutes, right? Each candle. So I'm in the trade. Wait, I'm in the trade for 1 hour. Dude, it's just insane. I'm still thinking this is fake reverse right there because we just have liquidity everywhere, like literally everywhere. Plus this is pretty nice level of support, but we can easily bounce from this level of support right now because that was level of resistance over here. We just break this level and right now it's level of support. But it's not level, I mean, it's not about just levels, right? It's just one of confirmations. My confirmation is liquidity. My confirmation is liquidity London session. Damn, I should go on my job. It's so stupid that you should go on your job. Because I can't control this trade. I can't control this trade. God damn it, I should go in my job. And what should I do? I couldn't forgive myself to close my trade right now and goes in my job, because if in my job I will see that we took the take profit, it will be just crazy. But at the same time, like, we could have probably the stop loss, like it's okay. Right. I'm going in my job, guys. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes.
No way. I was in my way to job. I was in my way to job. No way. Just insane, dude. I'm just insane.
They're fucking retailing for 31. Yeah, but I'm sorry, it happens between May. I bought it in May. I put in new tires. The truck is fucking one.
No way.
You know, not even one person can do it. On the cargo, it's for a great fucking deal. selling for 32.
Don't tell me
plus
that he wants to take my take profit.
like explain, like I know the prices are right, and a lot of the cars were cheap selling. And okay,
Well, no, what I'm wondering is, like, remember that the guy that came in with that GD80?
No way, no way, no, no, no. Don't tell me this. Don't tell me this, bitch.
Because the people
Don't
who
tell me
buy and
this.
drive that car, they buy the new version of that car. They don't want the 10,000 mile version. I'm wondering if a Platinum F-150 fits in that same thought process.
yeah, but okay, so you see how
But I would think lower end workers would want to pick it up.
figure of speech, right? We're a small dealer, fucking yeah, Audi, fucking Lexus store selling it, franchise store. So somebody bought it for 42 plus auction fee before doing any fucking transportationally sort of this way. I don't get it. And like, sadly or not, I had the dealers, I was like, hey, fucking buy mine. Like, it's a fucking nice car. You can make money. And they're like, they were lowballing me auction fee.
Fuck.
You're right there. Damn near. So they couldn't sell it. They throwing whatever, like,
No way.
who the fuck is buying it? And it's like pretty much, I'm, trying to see what the fuck. There's no way to offer them.
It just blew my fucking mind. I almost hit my stop loss, and then for just like 20 seconds, like this candle, bro, I can't close my trade when I see this candle. I thought we just will sweep the liquidity and then goes up, like, and we did this. We started to go up, and I was like, okay, I just closed this trade, and we just hit my take profit, but I wasn't in this trade. What a bullshit day. Like, like, I waited so long for this trade. I was in this trade 1.5 hours probably. Like, are you fucking, like what the fuck, dude? Fuck, why the market is so fucking stupid? How the fuck I can trade when the fucking candle like this? Oh shit, dude. I think I'm jinxed. I have no idea. Like, I thought the fucking I thought the fate just gives me like the 4th or the 5th opportunity to just close this trade. I closed this trade, boom, not yeah, take profit. I waited 5 candles, 5 biggest fuck candles, and why every fucking day it's so bullshit, like, bro, I closed my trade with plus $185, and then we hit my take profit with 700. Fuck you, dude. No. No, wait a little bit. Wait a little bit. We still wants to go here. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. damn it. I waited for this, and here's my was stop loss. I waited for this candle. I waited for this candle. Come on, dude. I waited for this. I waited for this, but I was stopped out. My stop loss right there. And after I had stop loss, I take reverse. I took reverse. Wow. I feel so bad right now because I was like, okay, we want to go down, but before we can go down, we should sweep liquidity on the top. And I was waiting for the long, for the green candle. And I opened my position. I was stopped out. That was long position. So I was like, oh, maybe I should take reverse. I took reverse, and then we had this biggest fuck green candle. It's just insanely day. I'm just doing everything wrong. I have pretty bad mental health right now, pretty bad mental state after this losing trade with $700. I mean, I guess I will never change, huh? I guess I will never change. Wow, minus $500 for today. Beautiful, Max. My stop loss was literally right here, so I got stopped out. I opened my short position right here, and that was dumb as fuck decision because my idea was to take liquidity from the here, maybe even here, but beautiful. I'm done for today. I don't know how to control myself. I feel disgusting right now. That's another overtrade day, just because my mental health was, like, my mentality, my psychology was broken absolutely after this trade with $700. Absolutely was broken. I waited for this trade for 1.5 hours. I was in this trade for 1.5 hours. And when I closed my trade, because like we hit my take profit, I really waited. I'm not tried to. I'm not even close the half of my trade. I just waited for 1.5 hours. I waited. I was in 100% sure in this trade. And after I closed my trade, my take profit was hit. Of course, it's just broke my fucking psychology, and I started to open bullshit trades. Another was bullshit trade. Like, I waited for the biggest fuck long. I waited for biggest fuck green candle, and I had this green candle, but I already stopped out. So like, I just lost $750 for this day. I'll be honest with you, I wanna cry a little bit, just because it happens every time. That was my third trade. All that I needed is just waited for this trade will be closed. Now I have 7 or 8 trades and minus $753. and I am working on my job, so I'm trying to breathe a little bit in my job, but it feels like my world is broken again because I every time betrayed myself, every time. And this after my after I closed my trade with $700, I was like, I have minus $56 in account, so I just need to do plus $300. Like for because of the fucking rules of the top step, you should have plus $200 in your account at least 5 days in a row. I mean, not in a row, just 5 days plus $200. And it's not about like it's not about rules or something. It's just about how these rules but it's not about rules, it's how these rules impact on you. They are impact on me very badly. Look at me right now. Dude, I just lost $753. The most stupidest thing that I ever did. I mean, shit, every day, like, I can't be profitable in the long term because I just put everything in one day. I just want to be right, I just want to close this trade with plus money, and the funded account is really crazy. It's really crazy. You should be like psychology beast of psychology or something, I don't know. I'm just trying to ruin my life with this bullshit, like literally. And I don't know, I will go and try to live this day, but it will be a really long day.
Yeah, that was my last trade, and guess what? After I closed my trade, we literally hit my take profit after 1 minute, and 5 minutes after, we hit the highest fucking point in the market. Beautiful. No comments.